Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to link an Instagram account to your Wix website in 2024. Integrating Instagram with your Wix site is a great way to show your social media content and also drive more engagement to your website or even to your social media if you have already a lot of visitors on your website. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide to understand how to link an Instagram account to your Wix website. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open basically that browser, basically go to the CRL section. And here, you'll need to type like wix.com. As I said, for me here, I'm using Brave. For you, use whatever suits you. Of course, if it's your first time, basically you'll be taken to this page instead. And here, you can, as an example, so I don't know why the page is taking too long. As you can see, you can click on the login at the top right corner to log in into your account, or click on Get Started to create an account. You can use Google or Facebook to create an account, and plus Apple if you want to log in into your account. So you don't have to go through all the steps of logging in and creating an account. So as you can see in here, once you're logged in or just created your account, you'll find yourself basically in the dashboard. In the dashboard, you'll find all the sites that you have. If you don't have any sites, you can click on Create Sites at the top right corner. Don't get confused with the Find 5 option. The last option is to use your own templates if you already have one. Here, to use Wix Editor. Here, of course, with the Wix Editor, you can use AI and etc. And the other options is Wix Studio. Here, you can start by blank, like a white page. Here, you can find like Wix templates that's already made in there, free ones, of course. And the marketplace, you can browse through multiple templates made by people, partners. Of course, you will find some free ones and some paid ones. So it's actually up to you. So now, basically, just go to create your website if you don't have any. For me, I'll just go and click on edit sites. Of course, I'll show you, I opened two sites because one I edited with Wix Editor and once I edited, the other one I edited with Wix like Studio. So to show you both. Of course, there is a small difference between the two of them. One, just basically the difference will be in the interface. So you don't have to worry about it. It's basically the same, but it's a little bit different. The interface and the UI is different. So, of course, you can even, as example, if you don't have a website, to create, especially if you're using Wix Editor, to create a fully functional website, fully website from A to Z, from A to Z or to Z, by using AI. As example, it's very simple. You'll basically have to chat, tell them what the name, what you're going to put in it, and etc., and it will create a site for you. As example, this site for me is created by AI. I made some changes to it, so it will look a little bit off. That's why it's going to look like that. So if you, as example, make it by, or if you didn't make the changes, it will look even much better. So as I said, I'll show you how to link your Instagram to both, like Wix Editor and Wix Studio. In Wix Editor, normally, if you want to add social media, preferably add it here in the bottom section. So for me, as you can see, I already added some social media. So I'll just go and delete it, that example. So the header and footer can be deleted to hide them, change the page layout. And sure, I'll just go and click on right click here and simply, okay, where's it? Yeah, sure. Of course, I'll just go and click on edit social media. I'll just delete everything, like nothing there. As you can see, so nothing in there anymore. Okay, I'll just even put it out and delete it. Yeah, I could have done this even before. So as you can see, or as I said before, the best place to add your social media or Instagram is through this footer section. So go to this list panel, click on plus on this add element, go to social, choose one that has Instagram on it. Or if you don't want to choose like an Instagram or one that has a lot, you can scroll down to look for something on Instagram. If you didn't find it, you can always just choose one of those. As I said, make sure to add it in the footer. So just then click on social links. For me, I'll just delete all of those. I want just Instagram. And of course, I can replace the icon. It looks a little bit old. Click on replace and you can type here Instagram. So Instagram, enter button. As you can see, this is a good look. And here you'll have to enter the URL of your profile. For me, I know it, so be nice with, with all. So this is my profile. Of course, make sure to choose and open it in a new window, not on the same window, because it's annoying if it's changed your window that you're on. Click on done, and as you can see, it will be added here. So if you click on preview now, and let me just wait for it, click on it, and it will be taken to your Instagram accounts. As you can see, it's linked right away. The same will be for Wix Studio. Go to the footer as an example. So again, can I delete that? Let me just go and check. So, okay, I don't want to double click on it, delete it. You can delete it here. Click on the plus button, go to social bar. Here's it. Just drag it in the footer. It's always good in footer. Why? Because it will always be with all the pages, not just in the home page. So when people scroll down through any page, they will find it. So click on such social links, delete everything again. You can change like the image if you want to again, and change the link however you want. As an example, so again, I'll just do be nice with all, and a new window, of course, done, review. Click on it, and it should take me to my account, as you can see. Once you made the changes, click on published, and you should be good to go. You'll link to your Instagram. Of course, you can link other social media the same way. Just go, as example, just go show you here. So click on add icons, and you can add whatever social media you want. As you can see, whatever you want, all of those options. As you can see, whatever suits you, you can add it. And yeah, of course, there's other options to like add or to link your Instagram as example in a dynamic way. So Instagram as example, I already made a video about it. You can simply just go and see how I did it. I don't think it's available in here in like Wix Studio, but it's available in here where you can simply people can scroll through your social media accounts or your photos or videos in Instagram just through some arrow in here without even accessing it if you want to. That's actually also good. But yeah, of course, once you just make any changes, just publish it, and it will be published to your website, and you should be good to go. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, of course, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.